What essential oils blend well together? Mixing essential oils can be tricky if you don't know what essential oils blend well together. You have to learn about the different essential oils, how to blend them, and how to use them to improve your well-being. Before you blend essential oil, aromatherapy works differently for each person. Your perfect citrus mint blend may not be pleasant for someone else. Grouping your essential oil. You can group essential oils by their aroma, effect, or evaporation rate. Classify your essential oils. By effect, some essential oils have a calming effect, while others are energizing or help relieve stress. Calming. When I'm stressed out and need to relax, I make use of any of the following essential oils. Floral scents: geranium, ylang-ylang, jasmine, rose, vanilla, lavender. Spicy scents: cinnamon, clove, ginger, nutmeg. Woody scents: cedarwood, cypress, frankincense, myrrh, patchouli, sandalwood, vetiver. Citrus scents: bergamot, grapefruit, lemon, orange, neroli, tangerine. Classify your essential oils by notes. Top notes: evaporate in under 2 hours. Bergamot, eucalyptus, grapefruit, lavender, lemon, peppermint, tangerine. Middle notes: evaporate in 2 to 5 hours. Chamomile, cinnamon, clary sage, geranium, jasmine, neroli, rosemary, tea tree, ylang-ylang. Base notes: last the longest. Cedarwood, frankincense, myrrh, patchouli, sandalwood, vanilla, vetiver. Tips for blending essential oils. Use carrier oils like jojoba or coconut oil to dilute essential oils for safe use. Limit your blend to 5 essential oils to keep the scent balanced. Test your blend first by starting with a drop of each oil and adjusting as needed. What essential oils mix well together for candles? Sandalwood plus patchouli. Earthy, sensual. Peppermint, eucalyptus, refreshing, invigorating. Lavender plus vanilla, soothing, relaxing. Lemon plus rosemary, bright, uplifting. Grapefruit, basil, fresh, energizing. Tip: use no more than 10 to 15 drops of essential oil per 8 ounces of candle wax to ensure a balanced scent. How do I mix jojoba oil with essential oils? Gather your ingredients. Determine the ratio. A common dilution is 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil per 3 to 5 drops of essential oil. Mix the oils, test the scent. Use as desired. What is the best essential oil for aromatherapy? There is no single best essential oil for aromatherapy. It depends on your needs. However, 5 of the most commonly used oils for their therapeutic properties are: lavender, relaxing, sleep aid; peppermint, energizing, relieves headaches; eucalyptus, clears sinuses, boosts immunity; lemon, uplifting, antimicrobial; rosemary, improves focus, promotes circulation. How do you mix Deep Blue essential oil? Deep Blue essential oil blend is a blend of several beloved essential oils, including wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, blue tansy, and German chamomile. It is most often used due to its soothing and cooling properties to help with muscle and joint discomfort. Here's what you need to know about mixing Deep Blue essential oil. Gather the ingredients. Determine the dilution ratio. Mix the oils, test the scent, and use. How do you mix essential oils with body lotion? Ratio: use 12 to 30 drops of essential oil per 1 ounce of lotion. Mix. Add the essential oil to the lotion and stir or shake well before use. Which essential oils blend well with beeswax? When making beeswax-based products, these essential oil pairings work well. Bergamot, ylang-ylang, sweet, floral; clary sage, frankincense, warm, grounding; geranium, orange, refreshing, uplifting; jasmine, patchouli, floral, earthy; neroli, cedarwood, woody, warm. Is there any essential oil blend you would like to share with us? Let us know in the comment section. We are happy to hear from you. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.